Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. This is going to be a really fun video because if you are looking forward to become a reader but you think the books available in offline bookstores as well as Amazon, Flipkart are really expensive, then I've got the best deals for you all, and I'm not kidding. Alright, check out the description box because the links will be there. A little disclaimer, these are going to be pirated. I don't want to hear how I am not supporting authors by supporting pirated books. I don't want to hear. I am broke. Alright, people who buy pirated books are broke. If the authors want us to support them, they should make the prices at least make sense. Like, the prices are 500,000 for one book. Like, are you seriously kidding me? Most of the readers of our country are students. Keeping the rage aside, let's move on. So first things first, I'm gonna start with this ACOTAR बुक बॉक्स सेट, जिसमें से 2 बुक्स मिसिंग है क्योंकि मैंने निकाली थी आप सबको दिखाने के लिए. This is the prettiest book set I've ever seen. I've made a shots of this book set where I unboxed it, so go check it out. I'll leave it here. Let me get the cons out of the way for this book, which is the minion sized font. Why do authors do this? This is not just the case with this pirated book. This is the case with the original books as well. Do these authors want us to be blind or what? I had some issues while reading the first book, but then by the time I reached this book, I was already used to the font, so it was alright, honestly. And please ignore the background noises. There's construction going on just ahead my house, so it's very annoying for me as well. Let's just all pretend nothing else is happening in the background, alright? Other than the font, this book is perfect. The cover page, the back, the side. I've received dented books from Amazon for which I paid the full price, but Meesho, sometimes they give dented books, but most of the times they are amazing. It has a map which is pretty clear, honestly. I loved the story as well. If you all want me to do a review of ACOTAR or any of these books, then just let me know. Let me keep it a bit here ताकि थोड़ा suspense बना रहे, जो कि टूट चुका already. I have Harry Potter. I already had the first book since way back. I don't know how many years I've had that book, but I haven't read it even yet. I've read only 50% of it. I've watched the movie so many times that whenever I'm planning to read the book, I feel like I already know the story. So what impact will it make? But I will read it this year. I promise. I promise you all. And I'll make a reading vlog as well. That also is a promise. There are different sizes from the original one, और मुझे ये पता नहीं चलता कि मेरे पास original नहीं होती. Other than that, the front is perfect, back is perfect. The book is not dented from anywhere. Both of these I got it as a combo. इसका तो font भी अच्छा है. Moving on, we have another duology combo. Again, I had the first part of it already, the original one. Like, बहुत ही सालों से मेरे पास वो पड़ी है, तो मैंने सोचा कि सेकंड थर्ड मंगा लेती हूँ. वो मैंने बहुत साल पहले, प्रॉब्ली लॉकडाउन में 2020 वाले, I read it 50%, but उसके बाद मेरा कॉलेज वगैरह था, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई, so I could not finish it. Now I'll have to start it over because I've forgotten most of the shit. And I'll make another reading vlog for this trilogy, I promise. Even this is perfect. The font is Chef's Kiss. Moving on, I have a few romances. My first and only Emily Henry book I've ever read, but it was amazing. Funny story. The font is a bit small, I would say. You can work with it. Did not have any dents. The cover, the colors, the font, everything is perfect about this book again, and I'm so happy that I got this from Meesho because I saw the original price and I was like, girl, you could never afford it. Moving on, the other 2 romances. Abby Jimenez's Just for the Summer. Let's get the cons out of the way. It has a little stain, can you all see? Other than that, the font is perfect, the cover is perfect. It did not have any dents, as y'all can see, and the font, it's pretty good. I haven't read this one yet, but this is in my TBR for this year, so I'm gonna read it pretty soon. Then, Love Redesigned by Lauren Asher. I want to get the second part of this book. This is a part 1 of Lakefront Billionaires duology, and I'm super excited to get to the second book, and even that book is available from the same seller for a really good price. So if I get that book, I'll make a short video on that. Other than that, this book is also perfect. And I have already made a vlog for this book. If you haven't checked it out, here it is. You can go and check it out. Yeah, again 10 on 10. Then we have some fantasy series like ACOTAR, Heartless Hunter. First things first, you guys, बाकी की बुक्स उतनी पायरेटेड नहीं लगती हैं बिकॉज दे आर अ प्रीटी गुड कॉपी ऑफ द ओरिजिनल वंस, बट ये सच में ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी प्रिंटर की दुकान से प्रिंट करा के इंसान ने खुद ही कवर वगैरह लगा के दे दिया, क्योंकि द पेजेस, कैन यू ऑल सी, दे आर सो वाइट. ये ऐसे वाइट पेजेस ना अकेडमिक बुक्स में भी यूज़ नहीं होते. दे आर यूज लाइक जब आप नोट्स प्रिंट कराते हो या कुछ तो उसमें यूज़ होते हैं. ये लंबी है, पतली है, ओरिजिनल बुक छोटी है, मोटी है. आई एम नॉट फैट शेमिंग द बुक, बट आई प्रेफर द moti choti one. It was an amazing book, but I wish it was delivered a little better. Then I have another set of 2 books. Powerless Duology, Cons First as Our Legacy. You guys, can you all see? This is so dim, like the black, it's not even properly visible. It's not, alright. Now let me show you all the font. Just as short as ACOTAR one, if not shorter. And the map, it's all blotchy, like it is not pretty. It feels like the ink has some issues, जिस printer पे इसको print कराया गया था. Other than that, details वगैरह इसमें भी ऐसी. Look at that, it has these details at every chapter, so that's pretty good. I haven't read it yet, but I am going to pretty soon, and I'm gonna make a vlog of reading this duology as well, so wait for it. This is the second book. Kind of same honestly, but a little better for some reason. I don't know how. This one is a better pirated version than this, so yeah. Also, this book has a novella and a third book. Both are available on Meesho. I'm gonna get the third book and then I'll make a YouTube short on that so y'all can see how it is. But yeah, that's it for the book haul, you guys. The book haul is over. It was a short, quick video for you all who don't want these pirated books. Please bear with me. Subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on because I'm gonna get an Amazon book haul for you all with all original books. You all can blindly trust me on that and just go support the authors like I did. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you super soon in my other vlogs. Bye guys.